Welcome to our video on linking to the database, part of our PxPlus 2023 video series. In this video, we will create a PxPlus data dictionary, then import the table and field definitions from the database. We will also create link files to provide our web application seamless access to the tables. The PxPlus data dictionary provides significantly more functionality than most relational databases. These generally only maintain field names, type, field size, and indices. The PxPlus dictionary includes additional information such as field description, display formatting, validation rules, help and tip text, and even associated queries. A data class facility makes it easy to define common data elements. It extends the dictionary functionality to include control types, loading potential values from a list or file, code translations, and much more. In short, unlike relational database data dictionaries, the PxPlus data dictionary describes the data and how it will be presented and used within your application. To make it easier to work in the Webster Plus directory, we will create a new project in the IDE. Press the New Project button, then provide a project name and starting directory. We can now create a PxPlus data dictionary in the MySQL directory. This can be done by selecting the Data Dictionary Maintenance option found under Data Management in the IDE. As there will be no existing data dictionary, the system will ask if it can create both the DDF and DDE control files. In the Data Dictionary Maintenance utility, select the Database Import option from the toolbar. The Database Import utility is new for PxPlus 2023. It provides the ability to load the data dictionary from a database and to create link or prefix file entries for the tables imported. For our application, we will select MySQL from the database type. We will then need to provide the MySQL server and database name we wish to import from. We will also need to provide our security credentials of username and password. Press the Load Tables button to start the import process. This will fill the grid with all the tables to find in the specified database. In the grid's top row, under DD Action, you can select how you want to update the PxPlus data dictionary based on the imported definitions. Select Create or Merge to add the tables to the dictionary. In the File Action column, you can select how you want to access the database tables. Here you can select if you want to create a prefix file entry, a linked file, or copy the data from the table to a native PxPlus data file. In this demo, we will create link files which can be used to access the database. We will turn off the suppression of the user ID and password in the link files for this demo. Normally, for security purposes, you would not include these in the links and set these externally in your application code. Press the Apply button to have both the data dictionary updated and the table links created. A green check mark will appear beside the table names indicating the table definition has been imported. When you exit the import utility, you will be asked if you want to view the update log. This log provides a history of what was done and can be saved by the user. Once back in the Data Dictionary Maintenance, you can press the lookup and view the imported tables. Simply select a table from the list to see its definition. Note that the table is defined as a MySQL link file. Clicking on the Elements tab brings up the list of elements in the table. You can scroll through the imported tables using the Browse buttons at the top of the screen. Let's take a look at the link files we created. These files can be found in the MySQL data subdirectory. As you can see, these link files contain a header line indicating they link to an external database. This header is followed by the database connection information, record layout, and key information. As mentioned earlier, The user ID and password are also in these link files. Normally, this would be done externally. Let us show you how these link files can be opened directly by PxPlus application programs. They can then be accessed like any other native file. This completes our video on interfacing to a relational database. Please join us for the next video where we will show you how to create file maintenance pages for your website.